Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 1998 Mitsubishi Eclipse GST. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of interior cleaning. We have our armor roll and we have some glass cleaner. I'm going to grab the vacuum cleaner and we're just going to do the best we can to get the interior of this Eclipse clean. I know it needs it, just a lot of dirt, grime, just a lot of stuff from sitting for years. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get a clean going on the Eclipse and give you guys a good before and after. Alright, hope you enjoy. Okay, let's go ahead and just take a dive right into the 1998 Eclipse. Alright, we have our microfiber rags, we have our Armor All protectant cleaner, and we have our Armor All glass cleaner. As you can tell, this Eclipse has been sitting for quite some time. Look at that, got grease, looks like a little bit of mildew. The door jambs here have seen better days. Just hardware and stuff all over the carpet. Love the diamond plate floor mats. They're actually pretty cool. But yeah, this dashboard, we can wipe it down. A lot of this stuff right here just has a lot of dirt, built up debris, grime. Just needs some good overall detailing. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's come here, let's take a look at the back. You can tell there's just stuff everywhere. Just needs to be picked up. I do have some plans in the future to switch this carpet out to black. Looks like this original tan carpet has seen better days. But let's get this back seat cleaned out as well. A lot of these quarter plastics, door panels, just a lot of this seal stuff right here. I might be able to get this out with the Armor All, but just needs a good overall cleaning. Been sitting for quite some time and she just needs a little bit of love. And that's definitely what I'm gonna give her. So, all right, guys, let's get going. Let's take a look in the hatch area here as well. Looks like a lot of these pieces just need to be wiped down and cleaned. Just got a lot of dirt and debris everywhere, just kind of like the front. This thing, we could definitely vacuum it off. It's definitely dirty. It is missing the spare tire carrier part right here. I will probably cut a piece of wood since these parts are pretty much non-existent anymore, and once that cardboard gets wet it just deteriorates. So extremely hard to find. I am looking for spare tire parts. That's also getting hard to find as well. But yeah, I'll go ahead and I'll collect the hardware as well. Lots of hardware everywhere, so I'll collect that and start putting it back in places where hardware is missing. So this is what we're looking like here in the back hatch of the Eclipse. First thing we're going to do is take out the floor mats here, driver side, passenger side, and as you can tell there's a lot of hardware in here. Definitely going to hold on to it. Going to put it in my little magnetized bowl here. Definitely hold on to this. Could be a lot of hardware missing, like that piece that goes to the center console part right here. It's definitely just missing some hardware, so I'm gonna collect as much as I can, keep all the grommets, but anything that's trash, get rid of it. But let's go ahead and remove these and get all the trash out of the back part of the car. Just look at all the goodies we got back here. Some hose clamps, screwdriver, pins, some oil, little sockets, just stuff that's been thrown in the back to, you know, maybe if something happens to the car, needs a little bit of oil, you got to work on it. It's pretty much just thrown here in the back. Let's get this all cleaned out. Got the diamond plate floor mats removed. Collected a bunch of hardware there. Removed all the big items from the back. We should be able to just vacuum everything else. A lot of stuff out the way. So let's just get everything vacuumed here. Let's get all this dirt and debris out of the way. Okay, we got just the simple vacuum here. Looks pretty good. Got all that main dirt and debris out of the way. Let's take a look at the back here. Same thing here, just a vacuum. Looking good. Still got dirt and stuff everywhere. We're going to get to that. But just a vacuum here on the driver's side. Looking good. Let's repeat the process for the passenger side. Alright, here's the back seats on the passenger side. These are here. Let's go ahead and check this seat out. Seat's looking a little dirty. Floor looking dirty as well. Let's go ahead and get this all vacuumed out. All right, here's the quick vacuum of the passenger side. That carpet has seen better days. At least it's carpet cleaned, but this side's looking good. Got all the big major debris out of the way. I'll vacuum the hatch real quick and then we can start our detailing. I'm gonna grab that vacuum cleaner real quick and I'm gonna clean this shifter boot out here on the center console. A lot of this stuff right here. Just get this stuff detailed cleaned. It's gonna look a lot better than it does now. Look at that airbag that's not all messed up. It's getting harder to find nowadays. Just make sure you put a sunshade up so the sun does not warp that airbag. But okay, let me clean this center console. Look at this center console looking good. On that shifter boot, everything right here is looking good. Along with the vacuum, I did use this little brush, just a little horsehair brush. You can use a toothbrush, but this gets in the little cracks here. While you're doing that, just use the vacuum cleaner and it should clean out all the debris from the little nooks and crannies. But this center part of the center console, completely detailed. Just need the Armor All on it, but getting a lot of the dust and debris off it right now. Looking good. Alright, I got this Armor All glass cleaner here. I'm going to put that right here on this gauge cluster, all these gauge faces, everything right here. Get this front windshield, rear view mirror, side mirrors, and that'll cover it for the front. So let's go ahead and get that clean. Look at that gauge cluster looking good. Got the pyrometer gauge looking good. Got the oil, air to fuel, boost gauge looking good. Got this windshield cleaned. All the glass in here looking good. Alright, we can start with the Armor All. Let's go ahead and get some well-deserved Armor All on the dash. Just have some Armor All on the top part here, but just to show just how dirty it is. Look at that. It's all the dirt and dust. It's just been sitting just from cleaning it with Armor All. So just use the Armor All on there, clean that dash pad, and man, it's looking good. Dash is looking good. We can go ahead and we can apply some of that Armor All here to the center console. Everything down here, shifter boot, center console lid. We could just get everything covered right here. Let's do the steering wheel and all these surrounds right here. Just get everything covered in Armor All and get it cleaned up. Steering wheel is looking good. Got that nice and Armor All. All your gauges, dash, center console, all your AC controls, everything right here looking good, nice and Armor All. Turning out pretty nice. Let's go ahead and just keep detailing the inside of the Eclipse. This is what I want to get rid of here on the passenger side. You can see some mildew on there. It's around the weather stripping, everything over there on the passenger side. We'll get down here by the glove box, all the door sill stuff. We'll make sure to get that with Armor All. The door panels, everything on here on the driver's side as well. Just gonna get rid of all the dirt, debris, mildew if we can. We're gonna let some Armor All soak on that mildew there. You can see it's on those seals as well. Just this door jamb is just nasty with dirt. Let's go ahead and get this clean as well. Just spray with the Armor All, let it soak for a little bit. Hopefully this stuff should come off. Alright, let's see if this mildew wipes off. I've had it soak in here for a little bit. Might have to hit it a couple times, but definitely taking the majority of it off. Especially in here where the AC vents are at. Just keep soaking it and repeating it until all the sting comes off the door. Let's check this seal real quick. Oh yeah. It's working good for that. Look at that. Look at that little piece that I wiped there. Looking good. Let's keep going. Wow, just look how good that cleaned up. That seal looks good. Look at this door jamb. Everything right here. Just a little bit of Armor All, microfiber cloth, little elbow grease. Man, that looks awesome. Heck yeah. All right, let's keep going. All right, let's get the rest of this door sill looking good. That's the really dirty part right there with the seal. Just this door jamb. A little Armor All, a little microfiber rag. Let's get it. Making that seal look good. That is nasty. All right, this door sill is looking good. Perfect. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the driver's side. Same thing here on the driver's side. Just look at that door seal right there, just totally nasty. We're just gonna clean that up along with the rest of this door jamb right here. This door panel. Let's just clean it up with the Armor All and the microfiber cloth. Door panel is looking good. Down here all the seals are looking good. The door seals down here by the door jamb, got everything clean. Moving here to the back part of the door jamb. We'll get this cleaned up next. Door panels are looking good. Seals are looking good. This whole door jamb's looking good. Was able to clean that up a little bit. There's still some spots on there, but just mainly focusing on these door sills. All right, let's go ahead and move to the back seats. Okay, here are the rear quarter plastics. Here are the seats. Just gonna spray a lot of Armor All on them to clean them up. Just wanted to give a good before. All right, here are the back seats and the rear quarters. Looking good. Cleaned up really nice. All right, the last little bit we have here is the hatch area. We have all these fender well plastics right here. I'm gonna take this guy off right here and just hit it with the brush on the vacuum cleaner. Clean that up a little bit, but yeah, there's a lot of dust back here as well. Let's go ahead and clean it up. All right, here's the rear hatch area. Looking good. Even got this thing all cleaned up. Nice. Pretty nice interior once it's cleaned up. Alright, last item we have here is the diamond plate floor mats. We're going to get in here and clean up where the Mitsubishi logos are at. Might even polish up this diamond plate. Alright, I polished these up a little bit. Use the Chemical Guys aluminum metal polish, that and a microfiber rag, and just did a little polishing on it. No machine polish, but just polished them up a little bit better than they were. Alright, let's get them installed. Wow, the Eclipse looks amazing. A little bit of Armor All, a little bit of glass cleaner. Get this car looking good. What a night and day difference. This is awesome. Just what it needed. Nice detail. Looks really good. All right. Looks good. Way better than it did before. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this detailing video on the 1998 Eclipse GST. Stay tuned for more. Plenty of videos to come on it. All right, you guys. Hope you enjoy. Monday to 6. Out.